I know, dude, I'm fired up today. I don't know why. And I know this seems like a really direct conversation. Usually I go on and I talk about the market and I talk about whatever's relevant going on right now. What's relevant is the feds are getting ready to kind of do their meeting. It's due at 2. Right? Like, and I'm also virtual in the 10X Growth Con right now because I couldn't make it, but I wanted to be here and continue on with my commitment to you guys to shoot this. But the point here is this: you need to get all of your convert your cash out of cash into a real asset. The next 12 months, I think, is going to be a shit show or a bloodbath for a bunch of people. It's either going to be the people who didn't take advantage of it, they're going to get hit, or the people who did take advantage of it, they're going to get a giant windfall. That we're going to get the best assets in the best locations that we ever were able to get, because I believe this next 12 to 18 months is going to be the time to do it. Winter's coming, guys. It's already here for some people, but it's not here for the people who you think it is. The institutional players that are in real estate that have these great assets, they got to sell. Winter's coming for them. It's already happening. There's $2 trillion worth of debt maturing right now in commercial debt. There's $900 billion worth of commercial debt, mortgage debt on commercial assets maturing right now. And it's going to continue to happen over the next 3 years, or they're going to have to refinance or recalibrate. But the rates are probably going to stay at the mid fives or high fives where they are right now for another 12 months. They're not going to get below 4%, probably all the way up until 26 or 27. They got to do that, because by that time people are going to have to start building, because we're going to run out of the supply that is coming online right now. Less and less and less supply of multifamily is coming on the market for housing. That is going to be the shift. So we can take advantage of, and I'm giving you my plan. If we can take advantage of 1,000 units this year, 1,000 units next year, 2,000 units or more, we raise the money to do that. We take on great assets in great locations, and then as the market starts to absorb all the rental units, the vacancy rents, they're going to have to do that. And the concessions burn off, which takes 2 years. First year, it's full, it's occupied, it's 85% stabilized, and then concessions burn off after that first year. And then all of a sudden, you get the real. People move out, right? Because they had free rent, free deposits, or half off of that. And all of a sudden, that's gone, and they have the opportunity to move, or the rent gets bumped up. So we get the opportunity to take advantage of right now while things are slow, because these big players can't play. They have to sit on the sidelines, or they got to go all cash. And a lot of their funds that they've raised, they aren't allowed to just go in and dump like that. That's not their mandate. Mandate just means what they have to do, what they told their investors are going to do. Why? Because their investors are like Harvard. Their investors are UCLA. Their investors are Guardian Life or Prudential. Their investors are Goldman Sachs and BlackRock and Blackstone. It's very different. It's a different game. I'm not taking any money from those people. I'm talking to you. Now, later, will I do that? Maybe. Once we get a certain amount of assets where I can no longer just continue to go to my audience, and we get to go and we bang out. Like that's me looking at, say, hey, we're going to partner, but we're going to buy a REIT. We're going to seed our own REIT because we have a bunch of assets. Then we're going to go. I'm going to go partner with one of these guys on a whole separate platform, go get a REIT, and then take our assets inside of there, dump that into the REIT, and then we're going to go to Wall Street. You'll be able to trade paper for trade paper for paper. But that's a long play. Stick with me on this one. If you guys get into Bell Capital as an investor, you get all of the benefits of being an owner, right? A lot of people, they don't want to do that. They're like, oh, I want to have my own deal. I want to do my own deal. Great. But if you're a business owner, one, you don't have time. You're running your own business. You're trying to scale it. And oh, by the way, you have this money sitting and you need to offset your taxes. You need to roll that into some real asset that does allow you to offset your taxes, not pay the money on the cash flow that you're going to get, maybe, depending on your circumstance. And then on top of that, you get the appreciation of future. You don't need two businesses. You need to double down on your current business, take advantage of what's going on in the marketplace, and then invest the extra money that you have in real estate that pays you cash flow and appreciates, and also give you the tax write-offs. So your exposure is less on the other income that you may have coming in. Like, that's the game. That's the wealth play, right? Broke people and middle-class people have a playbook as well. Get a job, go to college, get a mortgage, get a car, raise a family, have 3 months worth of savings lined up for you, put money in an IRA, lock that up, and if you need it, you take it out. Then you get hit with a huge tax bill. That's the play that they have. The wealthy don't play that game, which is why I was like, dude, when I saw this, when I learned this, because I was doing real estate and I wanted to play the wealthy thing, I was like, I'm done playing that other little game, even though it was still real estate. It had a very short runway. And I just want you guys to do this with me. So I said all that to say, like this video. If you want to invest with us at Bell Capital, go to bell-capital.com. You can see the logos. You can see it here, how it works. We raise money to buy real assets. We purchase existing income producing real estate, and then we send our investors monthly distributions. That's what we do. That's on the bottom. You can barely see it, but it's there. Anyways, thank you. I appreciate you. Let's do deals together. If you're an investor, you're an accredited investor, you have a good attitude, you love real estate, and you're patient. Right now, we're looking for people who have 300,000 or more liquid, ready to go, and you're accredited to invest. Hit us up. You can either text us info. You can text the word info to 760-531-8500, or you can you can go to bell-capital.com. You can hit, schedule a call, and you book online calendar, and somebody from our office will give you a call, or you can hit get started. You can register there. You can see what the open fund is. You can do your own due diligence, and one of us will reach out and talk to you. Nobody's going to just bang out without actually talking to a human being. We don't even want you to do that. We want to talk to you and find out if you're fit and we're fit for each other, because it's a long-term investment. All right. So look, I appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me jump back into the 10X Growth Con and some other stuff that we have going over here at the office. Let us know if you need anything. Like us, give us a thumbs up or give us a thumbs down. Don't be a hater and a hider at the same time. And excuse my excitement today, guys. I'm just excited. I'm excited because I want to help you guys. I'm excited because I want to share. Somebody asking me why I do this prompted that, man, because I'm here for this. I really am committed to growing this portfolio, and I want to do it with everyday people because I want us to win together. All right. So you guys have a great day today. Let's get after it. Are you an accredited investor with 300,000 or more liquid in the bank? I want you to come and partner with me. Look, if you love real estate, passive income, and positive cash flow, appreciation over long periods of time, and you're willing to be patient, come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com. This is for accredited investors with 300,000 or more in the bank, ready to go. Come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com.